Welcome back, I'm Tedward. Welcome to Road America and welcome to the 2023 Lexus RCF Track Edition. Now, I may sound a little muffled. That's because I am in a helmet because we are at Road America here in Elkhart Lake, Wisconsin to drive this beast. It's a 5-liter V8 from the Toyota boys. We love a Toyota V8. It's got 472 horsepower, all going to the rear wheels. Check out the beautiful quad-tipped exhaust, staggered like they need to be the proper Lexus F car. We love this. I love all the carbon fiber bits. I love the theater of this spoiler. I love the carbon roof, the carbon hood, the scoop, or I shouldn't say scoop, that's a vent, I believe, for cooling. But man, does this thing look mean. Now, it only shaves about 120 pounds off of the standard RCF, but that's all right because it's definitely got sport tune dampers and a few little tricks up its sleeve to be a little more stout on track. Now, obviously, this isn't exactly what you would think of for your track car, and it's interesting that they chose a Pilot Super Sport for this car. It really should be a Cup 2, but that's all right. We do need these to last all day. We've got big brakes, we've got a beautiful interior, and like I said, you know, kind of a heavy interior. These cannot be lightweight seats. That's sort of what I like about Lexus, is that they're still able to take some cars, even though this is kind of a limited edition thing, and put these out on track. Now, they could have done scaffolding back here, deleted the rear seats, but no, they're like, no, you're gonna get your track edition RCF and you're gonna like it the way it is because it's gonna be a fun Grand Touring car to toss around. I'm really into the blue woven carbon fiber here, so let's get out there and have a little fun. Now, we're not out there setting lap times today, unfortunately, but we do have Road America to ourselves, and that means we've got about 4 miles to play with. So let's get it started. Jumps to life with some anger, and we have a somewhat familiar display, oddly enough, because it looks a bit like the LFA. How cool is that? And then we can go ahead and put it into our Sport Plus mode, and away we go. I was expecting more in the way of the downshifting with this in the automatic mode, but it's not downshifting under braking. So we'll go nice and easy through this chicane. Loud tires. Bit of understeer. You're starting to feel the weight of this thing for sure. Get the tail out just a little bit under braking. I do wish it was just downshifting for me under braking. I feel like I'm tire limited. There's the downshifts. I feel like I'm tire limited on the braking. These brakes are incredible, but I need more than a Pilot Super Sport to get what I need out of this heavy car, and they're already hot. Listen to that. I'm gonna brake early here because I just put those fronts through some hell. Where the chicane is. There we go. Okay, this is the thing, when you're driving with these chicanes, you gotta remember where they put the cones. So much torque though. I love the character of this engine. It's just a heavy car to call a track edition. And then we'll shut it down. We'll cool her off because these poor tires and these poor brakes are trying to deal with quite a bit of weight, and it could really use a cup two, I think, you know? I think it needs a stickier tire to kind of do it justice. I feel like I'm getting a little squirrely under braking because, you know, these tires get super duper hot. They get a little greasy. And I gotta say, like, I love the feedback. This feels like a raw, natural car. I love the steering. I like a lot about it. It's just a few things feel kind of outdated. Like this transmission, it's great on the upshifts, but like under braking, I want it to be downshifting for me. So that way I'm in the correct gear for what I need to be doing. And, you know, it's just not doing that. So then when I come out of the corner exit, I've got to go for that kickdown switch. And now I'm upsetting the car on the exit. So yes, I could use the paddles. I wanted to see what the car would do though, because I think that's important when you look at like how a manufacturer's tuning something. So I do genuinely love that this car exists. It's a lot of money. There are other options out there for that money. But if you want the reliability and awesomeness of a Lexus V8, you can't go wrong. This thing is gonna last you. It's gonna be a good time. You're gonna have fun in it, and it's gonna sound insane. And people are, you know, if you put some sticky rubber and get it to handle some of the heat that you're gonna put it through, I think people will really appreciate what this thing is capable of. So thank you guys so much for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Don't forget to respect the drive, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm gonna go park up here next to these fellas. And there you go.